The OEMTOOLS Piston Ring Compressor is used to compress piston rings when installing a piston into a cylinder. With the compressor tool expanded to greater than the piston's diameter, place the tool onto the piston and rings. Next, insert the square drive wrench into the ratchet lock. Turn the wrench clockwise to compress the rings into the piston ring grooves. Place the piston into the cylinder so that the piston skirt sits squarely within the cylinder and the compressor sits squarely against the opening to the cylinder. While lightly pressing the compressor against the opening of the cylinder, press the top of the cylinder head with even downward pressure until the piston is seated within the cylinder.